And sometimes the press can be one-sided.
At a time when many believed that Harvard faculty had gotten a little one-sided in its viewpoint, she sought to recruit prominent conservative scholars and spur a healthy debate on campus that hurts the folks who are most vulnerable. Look, none of the changes I'm proposing are easy or politically convenient. It's not a one-sided proposition. When one-sided resolutions are brought up at the Human Rights Council, we oppose them.
Historically, the kind of relations we had with other regions were one-sided. All